Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. Our client assigned a new task. This is the assignment of financial accounting. The title of the assignment is Shelly Cashman, Excel 2019 Vertical Bar Module 2, SAM Project 1A. Our client provided us with some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. This assignment is divided into multiple steps. To complete this assignment, follow these steps. Step 1. Open and save the Excel file with your name. Step 2. Format the bin list worksheet. Rename and align cells. Apply borders and date format. Add a header. Step 3. Format the inventory list worksheet. Beautify title and adjust column width. Highlight duplicates and count items. Adjust cell width and apply styles. Apply conditional formatting for reorder alerts. Check for spelling errors and change tab color. Step 4. Save changes and exit Excel. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services.
First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.